I've moved on this video. It's moving on from issue 44 all the way up to issue 52, which has mainly been just adding the upper gun deck. Obviously adding the gratings, the ladders or steps down to the middle gun deck, all the cannons and all the rigging for the cannons, for the guns, sorry. As you can see from the pictures, it's starting to take shape. Really enjoying the build. Found it quite tricky to get some of the decking to stick when I was doing the upper gun deck. So I made some like little clamps that held them down while the glue dried. But other than that, it's been quite straightforward. Those pictures where I've just been lined for the cannons. Just adds a bit of thickness, bit of width to the upper gun deck before we painted them. I did the gratings too, how it shows you in the issues manual, but then obviously after looking at some pictures at Victory, I wasn't quite happy with how it looked, so I just did some slight modifications, just try and make it look a little bit more like how Victory looks. This picture obviously when I was painting the cannons. That's just obviously offering one up, see what it looked like. That's what I'm seeing when I started painting. I give my coat just a white matte finish to start with, before I went over and painted them all with the yellow ochre. I got pictures where I fitted the first one, added all the rigging. Quite tricky, a little bit fiddly. Just try to pick different pictures on different angles. That's after I've done the side, all the 5 in. Not pictures obviously where I slightly did all the modification to the grating, just to make them look a little bit more like how it looks, Victory looks. Well, thanks for taking time to look at my video. If you've got any questions or you got any tips for me, because obviously this is the first build I've done in 20 years, I'd be grateful. Thanks for watching, enjoy the rest of your day.